Hey sweet friends, it's Miss Wobschall. I just wanted to jump on and read you all a fun story for your extended spring break. I hope you're all having a nice time just relaxing with your family, enjoying some good books, going outside in the sun. It's been nice to have some extra days to take care of ourselves and to be at home with our family, so I hope you're doing the same. Today I'm going to read you the story called Nothing Rhymes with Orange. I think I may have read it at school, but it's just too good, so I thought I would read it to you again. So this is Nothing Rhymes with Orange by Adam Rex. Who wouldn't travel anywhere to get an apple or a pear? And if a chum hands you a plum, be fair and share that tasty treat. Hit the beach in your cabana with a peach or a banana. Hey, are you guys going to need me for this book? No. And these grapes are wearing capes because they're super good to eat. Just wanted you to know I'm available if something comes up. They're healthy, happy, colorful, and cute. I'll be back here if you need me. A little orange. It isn't very big, but I still think you dig a fig. I mean, I know nothing rhymes with me, but... And the kiwi may be peewee, but it packs a pucker punch. Whoops, hello. If you aren't a fan of cantaloupe, then feed it to an antelope. Well, that was a little forced. And this Kince wants to convince you that he's really good for lunch. This what? Fruit. They're healthy, happy, colorful, and cute. You can keep them in a bowl or in a boot. Fruit. I don't even know what that is. I think cherries are the berries, and a lychee is just peachy. Thus spoke Zarathustra in a book by Friedrich Nietzsche. What? Fruit. They're healthy, happy, colorful, and cute. I don't see why he's in this poem and I'm not. The banana thinks he'd look good in a suit. Is all I'm saying. Nothing fits him, so the argument is moot. Fruit. If a pear gets lost at night and meets a wolf who takes a bite, ooh. Then does that pear become a pear wolf when the moon is full and bright? This book's sort of gone off the rails. Will the apple have to grapple with this pear with fangs and hair? I'm glad I'm not part of it. No, a grape dressed in a cape flies by to tie him to a chair. Oh, who am I kidding? This book is amazing! Fruit! They're healthy, happy, colorful, and cute. It happens every time. The date is on a date and things are going pretty great. Me and kumquat always ignored. Here's a twist. At party time, I like a little slice of lime. That's not really much of a twist. The yam is looking glam and the jam's band's making jam. Looks like fun. While the berries joke with honeydew, the people who are funny do. Wait a minute, yams aren't fruit. The kumquat and the currant felt left out until they weren't. Oh, are you kidding me? The cantaloupe and mango can't elope, but they can tango. Sigh. I'm just going to go hang out on the next page. But the fruit are feeling rotten because there's someone they've forgotten. Little orange. It's the orange. He's really smorange. There's no one quite as smorange as orange. Smorange, what does that mean? It means totally awesome in every way. Happy now? This cute little face. Brute, coot, flute, hoot, jute, lute, newt, root, toot. Fruit, fruit, fruit. They're healthy, happy, colorful, and cute. that was the book Nothing Rhymes with Orange by Adam Rex. It's a pretty good one. Just funny to hear the orange, how he's left out, and then how he gets accepted by his fruit friends. Super cute. So I hope you're all enjoying your day, just being outside, being with family. Today I drew this little leprechaun from Art for Kids Hub because yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. I was a day behind. But I thought if you guys wanted to try it and then your parents can send me a cute little picture of you with your leprechaun, I would love to see all the leprechauns you've drawn. So I did the cartoon leprechaun and then the pot of gold on Art for Kids Hub on YouTube. So hopefully I'll see some fun pictures of you soon, but enjoy your days at home and hopefully you're reading lots of books and enjoying your time with your family. Talk to you soon.